Hello, good morning or afternoon. We're the Earthlings, and we've created this presentation to discuss the concept of bioplastics, the issues with conventional plastic and how they're processed, why bioplastics are a good alternative to them, and also why some people are skeptical of bioplastics. First, we have to define bioplastic. Oxford Dictionary defines bioplastic as a type of biodegradable plastic derived from biological substances rather than from petroleum. But why should we use bioplastics instead of conventional plastic? Well, at this point, most of us know that conventional plastic is quite problematic. As a petroleum byproduct, its demand supports the fossil fuel industry. As we've learned in ES2, this industry is responsible for a vast array of environmental obstructions. Some examples are ecosystem destruction, harm to wildlife populations, and air and water pollution. Additionally, conventional plastic production requires substantial amounts of electrical power, which then causes another set of environmental issues. In fact, according to Agarsky et al., electricity consumption makes up the largest portion of the negative environmental effects of plastic production. Because of its high demand for electricity and because of electricity's immense contribution to greenhouse gas emissions, plastic production unequivocally contributes to climate change. Agarsky et al. Claims that when compared to bioplastics, conventional plastics have a 60% higher contribution to climate change and global warming. Therefore, if production companies chose to manufacture bioplastics over conventional types, they would in turn reduce their contribution to climate change and environmental obstruction. This is important because here in the States, single-use plastic is everywhere we go. It seems that most days we can't go without it. It's woven into our economy, social norms, and culture as a whole. It's honestly pretty difficult to imagine America without plastic. And while bioplastics are on the rise here, the majority of single-use plastic we use is conventional petroleum-based plastic. So, considering that plastic is now part of our everyday lifestyles, let's assume humans are not willing to give up the conveniences of single-use plastics. That leaves us with the hopefully obvious solution and alternative to them: bioplastics. Now that I've explained the issues of plastic production, I'm going to hand it over to Vanessa to discuss the ways plastic can be properly disposed of and treated.